Get out the car.
Sir.
Get out the car, ma'am.
You breaking my...
Get the car. Get out of the car. On the ground.
Oh!
Hey, it's police department. Hey, can you hear me?
Hey, yeah, I'm here on the camera. This is the owner.
Okay.
Is the white car there?
White Volkswagen, yes. No one's answering the door.
Yeah, that's their car though.
Okay, hey, can you call me and give me a little info about what's going on here?
Okay.
Hey, is this Ms. Nelson?
Yes.
Hey, this is Officer Johnson.
Mr. Johnson. Yeah, that person who's in there is not supposed to be there. It's trespassing.
So, well, give me some backstory on what's the issue? Why is she here, and who is she? And I understand she's a friend or something, but
Yeah. So she was supposed to gave back my key.
so she used to live here?
No, she doesn't live there at all. I left on Monday, and I left my key with her so she could return it.
Okay.
But she never returned it.
So she doesn't live here. Why is she here now?
That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm calling for trespassing.
Okay. Who drives the black Infiniti SUV?
Pounder Nelson. That's the owner of the house.
Are they here too or no?
No, yeah, that car is not there.
So the only person here is supposed to be Liberty, or the only person here is Liberty.
Yeah.
And she's not supposed to be staying here. She's just supposed to return your key.
Right.
Okay.
But I've been away. I've been looking at my camera, and she's been in and out, and no, that can't happen.
Okay. So you're just wanting the key back, and you want her gone.
Yeah,
And
get her stuff and the key.
She doesn't have any rights here.
No, at all.
And she's never lived here. She doesn't have any property here or anything like that.
No.
All right. Let me see if I can get her to answer the door. I've knocked, but nobody's answering. So.
Yeah, she's texting me now, so I don't know why she's not coming.
Well, tell her to come outside and talk to me. Liberty, it's the police department. Come out here and talk to me. Huh? I didn't call it out. I just put it in my computer. Yo, Liberty, come out here and talk to me. Hey, she's not answering our phone. Where are you at? Is there any way you can come here and we can open this door? Or?
Yeah, the extra key is actually in Perry. I have my mother on the way over there though.
Okay, does she have a spare key by chance?
No.
Oh,
yeah, so I'm going to try to call Libby right now.
Yeah, tell her if she's inside to come out. If she's not in trouble, we just got to get the key and get her gone.
Yeah.
All right. Let me know.
All
Bye-bye.
right.
Before making any demand, Officer Johnson called the property owner to establish probable cause on record before any action. The owner confirmed the subject had never lived at the property, held no agreement of any kind, and had been given the key solely to return it. That phone call is the legal foundation of every decision that followed. It satisfied probable cause for trespass under the totality of circumstances standard. Critical distinction. A trespasser is not a tenant. No lease, no rent, no permission, no eviction process required. Law enforcement may remove a trespasser at the owner's request immediately without notice.
Oh, you want yours back? Your Liberty, we know. We've been knocking. So, Miss Nelson called. She says you doesn't have rights to this property and you've been coming here all weekend. So she wants your key and she wants your trespass. You have the key?
It's in the house.
It's in the house?
Right.
Well, we need to go get it. What you pointing that way for?
It's over there.
Come on. Take me over there.
I don't gotta get nothing.
Huh?
Close my door, sir. I have the right to
Hold on. Ma'am, you don't understand. You're not in control here, okay? You're here illegally, okay? You are here illegally.
I have the key.
If you give me the key,
It's over
identify yourself, you're free to leave. If you're refusing to give me the key, you're going to go to jail.
It's over there.
Go get it.
It's over there. You was just over there. I didn't say I was going anywhere, did I? Do I?
Do not make this worse than it has to be. Do you understand?
Bro, the key is over there.
Then go get it.
We get the key we leave.
Okay.
And that's it. And then you go back to your business.
It's over there.
Make it seem difficult. You might be spending the night in jail today.
It's fine. All my problems will be gone anyways.
Huh?
All my problems will be gone anyways. I'm gonna text my boss. I'm just telling y'all the key over there. I'm not.
And we're just asking you to go get it.
Okay, and I'm
That's
asking
it.
you it's over there.
So you're refusing to go get it.
I'm not
You're refusing to give it
anything.
up.
Whatever you trying to charge me with.
We should go to jail in 10, 12.
Go to jail because I won't give you.
That's absolutely right. It's that simple.
Hello.
Hey, we're here with her. She's playing hard-headed. Are you? What are you wanting to do? She's saying the key's somewhere in the house, but I mean,
She don't know. She need to find the key.
you're not here to give us authority to go in the house, and we can't verify anything. So, are you the owner of this house? You the renter or what?
Yeah, I am.
You're-
I inherited the house.
You inherited the
Tell her
house.
she's not going to. Did you tell her she's not going to jail?
Well, I mean, if
Because-
she don't give the key up and you want her to go to jail, she's going to go to jail. Unless you think she left it in the house and...
No, just give.
Yeah, she's pointing over there somewhere, and I told her to go get it, and she's refusing. So you tell me what you want me to do.
Why is she refusing to get?
I have no idea. I've just met her. I don't know.
She just said she gave y'all the key.
She hasn't given us anything. I'm standing here with her watching the other officer. She's not giving us the key.
So,
She's texting you that she just gave us the key?
yeah.
Okay, we're
Yeah.
standing here watching her. She's not giving us the key. She's sitting there in her car.
So she went out the back door.
No, she's right here. She came out the front door.
Yeah, she had the key last night, so...
Yeah, she came out of the house. We saw her come out of the house, so...
Yeah, I seen her go in on the camera.
But what do you want us to do?
It's on the chair by the door. She said it's on the chair by the door.
Okay. Are you good with that?
I need verification that it's there.
Well, we're asking her to go get it, and she's refusing, so... If it's not there, what do you want us to do?
Take me to jail, big fat white guy.
The subject refused every offer to resolve this voluntarily. Each refusal documented on camera constitutes a discrete act of resisting an officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty. 3 separate refusals produce 3 separate charges. Under the applicable statute, each count carries up to 1 year. That is not overreach, it is arithmetic.
Ma'am, you're not free to leave.
Am I leaving?
You're not free.
Am I leaving?
Put your car in park, man.
Am I leaving?
Don't touch me. Don't you touch me. Turn your car off, man.
Am I leaving?
Turn your car off.
Please don't do that.
Right now, you're on the arrest. Put your car in park. Put your car in park, man. Come on, you're on the arrest. Don't move that car, man.
Am I gonna go anywhere? The police
my
car.
God.
How am I gonna go anywhere?
Ma'am, put your car in
He
park.
got his key.
Ma'am, put your car in park. Put your car in park.
There's an orange key here.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, are you satisfied?
Yeah, I'm satisfied. Could you make sure that there's no vandalism in the house?
I mean, how could I tell? The windows are busted.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I know.
So.
Yeah, I have
All right, you want her trespass from here?
That'll be
I'm saying what
Yeah,
what I'll do is tell her if she comes back here, she could go to jail, and I will write up a report.
yeah, do that, and then the Chrysler, my mother, she's on the way right now to go get the key.
Okay, sounds good.
Hey, she's under arrest now, man. Put your car in park, man. Put your car in park, man.
You got your key?
Put your car in park. You know you're under arrest now. You're not leaving him now. You didn't hit me with your car. Hit me with your
I did not hit you with my car.
Yes, you did. Put your car in park.
Ma'am, put your car in park.
Put your car in park, man.
You reaching out in my vehicle.
Put your car in park, man.
Give me 1 second. Do not snatch stuff out my hand. Can you stop?
Get out the car.
Stop! What the fuck is going on?
Get out the car.
Sir,
Get out the car, man.
you breaking my...
Get the car.
Get out of the car.
On the ground.
Oh!
Get up.
I am getting up.
Catch your feet.
The vehicle contact is the most significant legal moment in this footage. Under Graham versus Connor, force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the threat. A vehicle operated against an officer is an objectively serious threat. The forced extraction was proportional. What was not proportional is the absence of a battery on a law enforcement officer charge. The officer stated on camera twice that she struck him with her car. That conduct is a third-degree felony. It does not appear on the charge sheet. Additionally, under Pennsylvania v. Mims, officers may order any person to exit a vehicle during a lawful arrest. Her refusal to exit provided independent authority for the extraction.
I don't even have no shoes. I'm not getting up without my shoes.
You too old to be acting like this, man.
I don't have
Ma'am,
my
you
shoes.
can either get up and walk to this car, or we're gonna drag you to it.
Acting like a real little girl, man. Get up. Get up, man.
Ow!
Get
Right.
up.
Ow!
Sit down, or he's going over there to snatch you.
Can
in.
I
And
fix
it's
my
going
clothes?
To hurt.
Can I fix my clothes?
Have a seat.
Can I fix my
Ma'am,
clothes?
have a seat. Jesus Christ Almighty. I'll get her car towed. She's not. She's out of town. So, but Mom's on the way. So
Her mom?
no, the owner's mom. She gave her this key to give back to her mom this week
She was never
because she was leaving to go out of town. Never given permission. She was only given this to give back to Mom. And then she started using this all weekend, coming and going. So the owner's out of town, sees it on the camera, calls us, says, hey, she's in there. I want her gone. Like, she doesn't live there. She doesn't have any property there. The house is beat to crap. I don't think anybody actually lives in there.
You been inside?
I didn't go in and look around, but the windows are busted here. They're boarded up down there on that side. The back windows are all boarded up. She said, so if she's willing to give up the key, then just trespass her. If she's not, then yeah, I'll press charges. And that's when you were like, she hit me with a car. So. Too early for all this.
What are you telling me?
Dang.
After she rolled the window up on my heart, actually.
Yeah.
I told it over.
Just made it worse and worse. Hey, your vehicle's being towed. We should let you know before you get to the jail who the tow company will be.
Why are you taking me to jail?
That's right. I'm gonna give you the key, right? Your daughter's on the phone. I'm gonna give her the rundown on what just happened. So,
Okay.
yeah. So we were talking to her as I walked over to get the key. She backed up and hit an officer with her car. So we had to actually drag her out of her car, and now she's on the way to jail. I am going to tow this vehicle. Are you want her charged with trespassing?
No, you don't have to charge her with trespassing.
Okay. All right. Yeah. She's facing big girl charges now. So.
Wow.
Okay. Can you do you have your ID on you?
Me?
No.
Oh, okay.
Miss Nelson.
Yeah,
Hey, can you send me a picture of your ID card?
yeah.
That'll be the easiest way to get your information. So.
Oh, for what is it for?
For the report, for the reason you called us.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And I do have a new one coming in the mail, but it does have this one does have my information on it.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's just the easiest way is send it with your DO number on it and all that. So now, how did she end up with the key? You gave it to her to give to Mom?
Yeah, I was there with her on Monday. I just got back from out of town. And when I left Monday, I told her to leave Monday and give her the key on Monday. All this is in the text messages to give my grandmother her key when she got the chance. And she just never left. I've been looking at the camera. I'm like, well, damn.
Right.
And then I seen her today at 4 o'clock in the morning coming in and out and had another stranger in there. So I'm just like, oh yeah, it's time to go.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Well, yeah, send me a picture of your ID and we'll get it taken care of. Unless you're okay with her vehicle being here on the property, I mean, I'm going to have to tow it.
Nah, you can leave the vehicle there.
I wouldn't do that. Have you talked to your dad?
No. Actually, I'm trying to keep this away from him. That's why I have to have everything.
So, yes, you need to get her car towed.
Okay.
Because that's going to be his first question. What car is this?
Okay. I'm standing up right now, officer.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
All right, I'll hit you back if I need something else. Okay.
Yeah, cause do you know like I have a new number, a new license number. That's what I was trying to say.
Just if you'll send me the one you have, I can pull the new one off the one you have.
Okay, good.
All right.
All
right, bye. All right, Mom. Yeah, I guess you heard everything.
Yes.
So.
Thank you so much for your assistance, because I was like, oh my God.
That's the key there. I haven't been inside to see if anything's damaged.
Yeah.
Of course, I wouldn't know, but looks like the windows and stuff's kind of busted out already.
He has damage from his son damaging the house, unfortunately.
All right. Do you have your ID on you?
Yes, I do.
I just need a document saying I gave you the key.
Okay. All right.
I'll call you if I need anything.
Okay, thank you.
Officer Johnson receives a B+. Correct probable cause development, sustained composure, proportional force. Points deducted for one unprofessional verbal remark, and the missing battery charge his own statement supported. The subject receives a D. No legal basis for any refusal. Not a tenant, no property interest. She turned a zero-consequence trespass into a 3-count criminal case. Through her own sequential decisions, Miss Nelson receives an A. She used proper legal channels, provided accurate first-hand information, and declined unnecessary charges once the key was returned.
Stop. Like real shit. This is actually insane. This is actually so insane right now. Excuse me, what are you charging me with? Oh, okay, cool. and my vehicle's getting towed. Wow. I tell you what. Y'all just some nasty ass people, real shit. Oh, child. You said what? I'll be out today? I know. Thank you. Y'all got my phone. Y'all got my car. Y'all left my windows down. Y'all just don't give a f. Don't be trying to charge me with nothing else, because it say on your camera. I'm gonna make sure I get this damn car number too that you only charge me with is just the officer.
3 takeaways from this encounter. First, a key is not a lease. Limited property access creates no tenancy and no right to remain. Second, every refusal is its own charge. Each act of non-compliance is a discrete criminal event, not one dispute. Third, document vehicle contact at the scene. If a subject strikes an officer with a vehicle, that is a felony, and it should be charged as one on camera before the scene clears. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching.